Okay, progress on the Suburban. Been doing a lot of work to remove the trim. You can see all the weld patches, and just a touch of body filler to try to even it out after grinding it. It's about 54 of those. So now that's one less thing for the body shop to have to do. We fit the 67 front end and fenders, which also requires a new core support unless you want to chop up your other one. And I got all that fit. The hood's not sealed up right now. Hold on. So it's mostly bolted up, and then we're ready to get it painted. You can see the rest of the trim spots that got filled. And there's a big filled spot. Whoa, what happened there? Well, if you're familiar with pickups, that used to be the gas fill, which is externally mounted and kind of chews up the paint and breaks up the body lines. As you can see, looks like we've been working on making this thing ready for paint. And it is. I'll be sending it into the body shop when they get a chance. Oh! How do you put in the fuel though, Mr. Mike guy? Well, let me show you guys. Oh, there's a hint. Just like that. Custom made panel. There we go. Ooh, no gas right now. Taillight still works. Lucky, got lucky. And because this is a boat fill, it's a stainless steel fill for a boat, and that's what fits there. It didn't have the vent so that the pump wouldn't automatically shut off when you're done filling. But I added a vent line because I'd rather not be worried about every ounce of fuel when it's 40-gallon tank. You can see that's got metal braided inside of it, and we've got the fill, and you can even see the little brass fittings. That's fuel line, by the way, that I use as the vent line, so I'm pretty confident it'll handle the vent fumes. All right, next time we see her, probably be with a new paint job.